Good morning and welcome to another episode of Fitous Thai Kitchen. But today we've got the breakfast of champions, khao tom, which translates as boiled rice. So this is like the younger brother of congee or jok, and it's really easy, and we're going to show you right here how to get this done. So if that sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around after this.
Okay, good morning. Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make Thai breakfast. Just a very simple boiled rice with prawn, or we call khao tom kung. And the ingredient is not much and easy to cook and quick. All the ingredient is, this is jasmine rice, light soy sauce, chopped spring onion and coriander, prawns, you can put as you like, garlic. Okay, and another thing is white mooli for make a stock. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we make a stock with this one. We peel the skin first. And then this garlic, we smash the garlic and chop into small pieces. Okay, now we boil rice. We wash the jasmine rice first. Okay. Okay, we put the water and boil rice about 1 liter. And keep on stirring. And also in the same time, we make the stock. Also the amount of the water about 1 liter. And put the mooli.
How long for this rice?
This one about, I think 5-7 minutes. When you can see about this one is cook, and also in the same time while we waiting rice to cook and the stock, and then we fry garlic. Put the oil in another wok. This one just a medium heat. You fry this one. I think I did show this one before how to fry it. Smash the garlic and then fry this one, and just a few minutes until turn to golden brown. and then you just drain it. Yeah, this khao tom we normally have in the morning when you feel don't have any appetite or you don't need the heavy breakfast. For the older day, we always eat the khao tom every day. Yeah, sometimes khao tom prawn, khao tom minced chicken, anything, or khao tom fish. Yeah, you depend on the meat what you like. Okay. Oh, more than 5 minutes. Oh yeah, more about I think about 10 minutes. If you want to go for the short way, you can use the cooked rice instead of you have to boil. And then just make the stock and use the meat, whatever you like. Then this one boiled already. Look, and we drain the rice. Look, yeah, put in the bowl. Okay. Now the stock. Yeah, this one cook and look the rice expand. Okay. Now the stock. We put 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce and a little bit of salt, a little bit of salt. And if you like, you can put the chicken stock if you like. That's it. And then you put prawn. Put prawn in stock about a few minutes. You can see when the prawn cook, you can see the color. Enough na? Okay. And then put this one in the bowl. We put this one spring onion and coriander on top, and then fry garlic on top, and black pepper. Okay, that's it for breakfast.
Right, so guys, I'm going to give this khao tom a go. This is just a great little breakfast to have. And whenever I'm not feeling well, a nice hot bowl of khao tom usually does me right. It's just something light. It sets you up for the day, and it's quick and easy. It's a breakfast of choice in Thailand. And it's really easy to make when you've got a lot of people. Just make a load of rice, boil it up, and everyone just comes along and ladles what they want. Hope everyone enjoyed that. Take care. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Thanks now. Bye.